Alright, hey, how's it going, guys? This is Ian Wright, and this is my CS546 final project called Homiepets. Homiepets is basically just kind of a simple virtual pet site. Just like, basic functionality. You can create a pet, customize it a little bit, and then feed it, play with it, and then also kind of show your pet to other people. So, other people can view the pets that you have created. And so it's, really basic bare bones functionality, but I think it's good, and I think the setup of it's right that I could add a lot more stuff to it. And I think generally it's just a really fun project. So to get going, let's just sign up. Let's create a user. So for our user, we're going to do 546 final, and we're going to make a password. Our name will be Mr. Testing. And our bio will be, I love testing my work and playing on Homiepets. Cool. So 546 final has been created. It's been stored into our database and encrypted, and we're going to now log in. Cool. So now we are on our website. We haven't created any homies yet, so it's going to prompt us to do so. So let's do it. So our pet name. Let's do. Let's keep it. We'll do his real name. We'll do Charlie. Or maybe Charlie 117. Because that's fun. And we're gonna make him a. Let's go with a black boys' night. I think that's my favorite look out of all of them. And cool. And we have our pet created. And you see it has hunger and happiness levels. And we can click to feed. And just have fun, feed it until you feel fit. Basically what happens is the hunger and happiness values go between 0 and 10, and if it's at 10 it means it's full, or very satisfied and happy. But those values, basically the server runs a script every hour to randomly reduce those values, so that keeps you having to come back on the site and play with it. That's kind of like the base of it. So that's pretty cool. Awesome. So if we go home, you can see our pets. Let's create another pet. Cool. So our pet 2 is going to be Charlie 118. And we're going to make him a red Jossum. Jossum's probably one of my favorite species. And so we have this other pet. You can see it's cool. Kind of looks like a shark. And yeah, that's our pet. I guess we'll feed it a little bit. That's fun. Coolio. Awesome. And so there we go. We have our 2 pets. The other feature we have is being able to look at other people's profiles and pets. I say not we, I guess I, because it's just me on this project. But so if we go to find pets, we can see we basically get 3 random pets from other users that I've created. So let's check this out. We have a new pet, which is made by Mr. Cool, and we can see that obviously Mr. Cool is not taking care of his pet as much as we are. But you can look at all the pets that he has. See, look, he has way hungrier pets. Created. This is cool, and this is Mr. Cool's profile. I think it's interesting that obviously because you don't own the pet, you can't feed it. But you can look at other people's pets. So we'll keep going. We'll see some more stuff. See if we get different user. So we have Ryan. Ryan has his pets as well, and you can see it has very different hunger and happiness levels. And so that's generally cool. That's kind of the core functionality of the site. I think it has a really solid base. Limited features for now, but I think it has a really solid base, and I could keep adding stuff really easily. So that is basically all there is to it for the demo. I guess now we can log out and get into kind of the technical details. So I guess starting things off, we can look at the package.json. Really keep things lean and mean generally here. I think we have some double packages, but in general, we're just using Express, handlebars, MongoDB, and then bcrypt to basically handle the users and passwords, kind of stuff we used in class. We can look, the general structures, we have app.js and db.js, which handles all the files. db is all mostly functions relating to creating, patching, and deleting users and pets in the database, because it's comprised of 2 collections, users and pets, and then there's kind of, both of them refer to identifiers in each one. The identifiers are just the names of the pets, so I think that's easier to go by than IDs, starting wise, and it just is cool because I don't think you should be able to have, pets that are the same name. Yeah, and so here are some of the functions. So these are just, checking if the user exists, creating the user, patching the user, patching the pet, getting the pet, checking if the pet exists. These are all just general utility functions, replacing the pet, that sort of thing. But then we also have, there's a few utility functions that we have. So we have like decrease stats. So this gets run every hour. There's basically something on app.js that has it, but basically, if you look at my cron tab, it runs this every hour. Obviously, yeah, so if you click this is just goes, and if we click that, if we go to like, some pet, like if we were to go, let's do it again, why not? As you can see, his happiness and hunger got lowered a bit. So that's just like a function that runs every hour. We also have functions like getting all the pets, satisfying the pet. So this is what basically allows you to basically pass in happiness or hunger, and it allows you to like change the values of playing with the pet. Yeah, and I guess this all comes together in app.js. I think I'd probably do roots if it was a little bit more extensive of a project, but I think it was fine to just do everything here for now. Yeah, and so here you just have kind of your basic functions. So this is the updating function that we have. This is the function that gives you the three random pets that aren't yours. This basically, private is basically just a rendering of the profile. Log out, it's just logging out. Signing up, this is how you sign up. You see, you encrypt your password, and then when you sign in, checks it against the decrypted password. Creating the pet, same thing. Here's how you get the user profile. This is how you get the pet profile. As you can see, if you are an owner, you get to be able to feed and play with the pets. And then this is a function that basically generates the HTML of the kind of like, the picture name pairs when you give it a list of names of pets. It's just creating the pet. This is playing with it. Yeah, this is just basic, redirect functions. Yeah, and it's cool. Oh, and this is just the footer and the header, which is how I was able to do it. And that gets passed on to the views, which are just these handlebars files. So we have create pet, homie profile, login, private, which is just the user profile, and then sign up. Yeah, and those all generally work. Yeah, I guess that's just sort of basically it, technical wise. I guess the other thing to say is I kind of use this base template for my CSS. You can see the source code, but like I just took a little bit of it and then I modified it to get into my site to CSS. So I changed it a bit, but it's just what I used. It's like kind of like the site's like sort of responsive. Like it sort of works, and it's cool. So yeah, that is sort of all I have, I guess. To kind of wrap things up, we'll just create one more pet. Why not? Cool. Create another account. The last test, or no? We'll do something fun. How about the homie father. Sorry for kind of the ridiculous names here. This is just a weird project. Dr. Homie, and his bio is gonna be, I will heal all of the homies. And then, yeah, homie father. Cool, let's write our password. Awesome. Let's create a pet, why not? Let's keep it cool. Let's do a red homie. And we'll make the pet name Patient. And yeah, we'll feed it. Cool, we're feeding it. It's happy. Cool, this is fun. We can also check out some other pets. Let's see, maybe we'll get some ideas. Dang, let's look at Charlie 117. Awesome. You can see that's the pet that we saw made before. And you know, this was really fun. And now I guess I'm out of time. This is sort of kind of, you know, my weird demo of my CS546 final project, but I hope you enjoy. I hope you have fun. And yeah, I just really appreciated this class. Thank you.